After a long battle with cancer, Pat Finn, a well liked and subtly significant character actor who starred in some of America's most famous television sitcoms, passed away at the age of 60. His passing signifies the end of a consistent multi decade career that influenced the humor of several TV generations. In contrast to headline grabbing stars, Finn established his reputation by being consistent, even if they weren't usually familiar with his name. Audiences were able to recognize him right away as an actor who gave scenes a genuine, grounded feel. Over time, he gained recognition in the business for elevating every project he worked on, no matter how big or small the position. Finn's most well known performance was as Bill Norwood, a recurrent character on ABC's popular sitcom The Middle. He appeared in several seasons, giving the character warmth and subtle humor that made Bill seem like a genuine part of the small town setting of the show. Finn has frequently been characterized by the cast and crew as having an innate understanding of comedy, knowing when to deliver a line and when to take a break. His cameo appearance as Dr. Roger, Monica Geller's brief but memorable boyfriend, also had a lasting effect on Friends viewers. Finn's ability to make even little screen time matter is demonstrated by the fact that despite the role's brief duration, it became one of those iconic Friends moments that audiences still discuss years later. In addition to these well known appearances, Pat Finn's career featured cameos on numerous iconic comedies, including Murphy Brown, The Drew Carey Show, The King of Queens, and Seinfeld. Because of his reliability, professionalism, and innate sense of humor, casting directors regularly went back to him. Actors have observed that Finn was the kind of performer who, rather than attempting to take attention, made things simpler for everyone else by giving generous performances and subtle reactions. Finn had reportedly been fighting bladder cancer for a while. The ailment went into remission for a little time before coming back. Those close to him said that despite his health issues, he remained upbeat and devoted to his family. In the company of his loved ones, he died quietly at his Los Angeles home. Pat Finn, who was born in Evanston, Illinois, didn't take any fast cuts or became famous right away. Rather, he developed his career gradually, gaining reputation via diligence and compassion. Colleagues often characterize him off screen as modest, personable, and truly helpful, someone who treated crew members with the same regard as co stars. His three children and wife Donna, whom he married in 1990, survived him. According to family friends, Finn was devoted to his roles as a husband and father and frequently put his family before his career. Tributes flooded in on social media and in Hollywood circles after the announcement of his death. While fellow actors praised his kindness, compassion, and subtle sense of humor, fans recalled him as the guy from every great sitcom. He was regarded by many as the type of a person who, just by being present, made sets feel lighter. Pat Finn's influence on television comedy is indisputable. Even though he was never a leading man, through reruns watched that are seen all over the world, his performances live on. Small, flawlessly delivered moments that never fail to make audiences laugh. Finn's legacy serves as a reminder that talent, decency, and consistency are the keys to earning lasting respect in a field where fame is the primary motivator.